ガーナでは教育レベルが非常に高くほぼ皆さんが英語を話せるという状況になります。で一方でガーナ人の皆さんの性格というのも、非常にフレンドリーで非常に親切で、そういった意味でもガーナでの治安の良さ、それから生活のしやすさ、そういったことにもつながっているんだと思います。で一方で経済で言いますと、非常に豊富な天然資源もあり、カカオの一大輸出国でもあります。こうした力強い産業に支えられて、今後もガーナの経済というのは確実に発展していくと信じています。ですので日本企業の皆様もぜひガーナに進出してきていただいて、一緒にこのガーナの国の発展に貢献していきましょう。My name is Ryuta Yoshikawa, Managing Director of Toyota Tsusho Manufacturing Ghana. In 2019, the government of Ghana announced a new automotive policy with the vision of turning Ghana into an automotive manufacturing hub for West Africa in anticipation of future regional free trade agreements. So following this, in August 2019, at the 7th Tokyo International Conference on Africa Development, we are calling TICAD 7 in Yokohama, Japan. Toyota Tsusho Corporation and the government of Ghana signed MOU to cooperate in the development of Ghana's automotive industry. After several discussions, Toyota Tsusho Manufacturing Ghana was established in 2020. Our plant began SKD production of the Toyota Hilux in 2021 and the Suzuki Swift in 2022. We have 63 employees, and our plant has about 7,000 square meters floor, and the production capacity is 1,700 units per year in total for one shift operation. So far, we have created over 60 direct jobs and even more through our local suppliers and dealerships. We give great importance to talent development. So every year, we send our engineers and other staff to training programs in countries like South Africa, Japan, and India. These opportunities not only help them gain technical skills and know-how, but also allow them to build a cross-border relationship that valuable for both personal growth and our business. The government of Ghana has been supportive of the automotive assembler under the framework of the auto policy. They have introduced various incentives such as the rebate system and the VAT exemptions to help us and also help our sectors. So as a part of its 24 hours economy policy, the government of Ghana is strongly emphasizing the strengthening of the manufacturing sector as a key driver of structural economic transformation. So through our local assembly operations, we aim to contribute to Ghana's economic transformation and long-term growth. With a close collaboration with government authorities, manufacturers, including Toyota Motor Corporation and Suzuki Motor Corporation, and local stakeholders, we are committed to expanding this important industry in Ghana. Our relationship with the GIPC has been very positive. So they are always supporting us through the registration process and facilitated early stakeholder meetings that helped us understand local regulations. GIPC also supports us when making payments such as royalties and service fees to overseas partners. They assist with contract review, provide advice, and handle the necessary registration processes. In addition, they have been very helpful in supporting experts like us in obtaining residence permits smoothly. So Ghana has a very talented and educated people, and very peaceful and the stable countries. So I can say Ghana is full of potential, and now is the time for all companies to take part in its growth. So let's build the future together. I can say everybody, the Ghana is open to business.